how can I earn 1,000 euros monthly, or how can I earn money working online? These two questions haunt every newbie internet marketer. Well, I have something which will interest you, and you can try this method 100% free and know if it is worth your time and effort and money to invest into. You can just try it for free and see if it will work out for you, and then you can invest your money and time into this. Sounds fair? Okay. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Agarwal Bros. I am Akshat. Uh, I have a YouTube channel by the name of Agarwal Bros. So, if you are new to my channel, then please make sure to browse through the collection of videos that I have on my channel. I regularly post videos on how to make money online. You can browse through the collection and check out different methods, and if you like these methods, then please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications. So, and also I am active on Quora in both English and Hindi. This is my English page, and this is my Hindi page. So you can check me out on Quora. You can follow me on Quora. Also, I have one Facebook group by the name of Passive Income Affiliate Marketing Amazon FBA Make Money Online. So you can join this group also, where I share cool strategies, tips and tricks to make money online. So this is very cool. Most of the stuff is 100% free. So let's dive into today's method. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about proofreading, and I'm going to tell you how much money you can make with it and where you can learn this for 100% free. Just stay with me till the end of this video. So let's first understand what is proofreading. So basically, proofreading is the process of reviewing the final draft of a piece of writing to ensure consistency and accuracy in grammar, spelling, punctuation, and formatting. So with the advent of self-publishing, this popularity of proofreading has grown up by leaps and bounds. Many people are jumping into this. Basically, in proofreading, you have to read a document, say for example a book or a blog, and then you have to find out errors. It is perfect for those people who uh, who can read between the lines. So now you will ask how much money you can make with proofreading. So you can make, on an average, editors and proofreaders earn $15 to $25 per hour, but may earn up to $30 per hour consistently. You can, find examples of this on sites like Fiverr.com. Just click over on Fiverr, uh, let it load. Okay, then you click over here, proofreading. Okay, so as you can see, I will be a book editor and proofreader for $100. Then there's I will do book editing, unlimited word count for $100. I will line edit and proofread your manuscripts for $250. So you can see there are many people who are doing proofreading services, and so if you want to learn proofreading, then you can go over to this site called Proofread Anywhere. Now this is one pretty cool site where you can learn about proofreading. So just check this site. We help proofreaders earn extra income from anywhere in the world, even if you are starting from scratch. So it is a very good training for newbies. As you can see, it has been featured on Business Insiders, Forbes, Penny Hoarder. Now it has two courses: the general proofreading course, theory and practice, and the transcript proofreading, theory and practice. In general proofreading, you learn to earn money proofreading books and blogs, less technical than transcript proofreading, shorter learning curve. It takes generally around 1 month to learn general proofreading. Whereas in transcript proofreading, you learn more technical stuff like uh, courtroom transcripts proofreading, which is a bit technical. So, you get more repeat clients with this transcript proofreading, and you get a chance to earn a lot more with this method. So there is a free intro workshop, as you can see. Let me see. There's a free intro workshop. Not this one. This one. So this is a free webinar. It is 76 minutes long. In this webinar, you get to learn the basics of this general proofreading. So you can join this webinar for free. I will give the link to this webinar in the description. You can just click on the link and watch and reserve your seat in this webinar. So in just 76 minutes, you will discover 5 signs proofreading would be perfect fit for you. Freedom plus security, how proofreading can be a ticket to lifestyle freedom and financial security. Attract clients, a surprising easy way to attract your ideal proofreading clients, and so much more. And this is 100% free. You can learn from this person. Her name is Caitlin. Okay, so this is a 76 minutes webinar on the general proofreading. Another thing is the transcript proofreading. So this transcript proofreading, for this they have a 7-day intro course. So use your proofreading skills to make money so you can build a business that supports the freedom lifestyle you deserve. I will be also giving the link to this free workshop in the description. You can watch the video. This is a 7-day e-course. It is 100% free. You can check out both of these courses and decide if the proofreading is for you, and then you can uh, subscribe to the paid courses which the site offers if you think that proofreading is a good fit for you. So there is no pressure. You can just take these 2 trainings. Both of them are 100% free, and you can learn good amount of money. You can find jobs relating to proofreading on sites like Fiverr.com or Upwork and other freelancing sites. And both of these courses, the free workshop one and the webinar one, are going to teach you where you can get extra clients and what uh, what do you need in order to succeed. So just check these courses out, and just get on with this training. Get on with the training. This is very these courses are very comprehensive. You can check the reviews over the internet. So you know for you, I pulled up a review of this site. So here is this review. Proofread anywhere reviews. Is it legit or scam? So we will talk to one of the Caitlin students who agreed to talk with me and give an honest proofread anywhere reviews. Her name is Melinda, and she makes $3,000 consistently. She shares a lot of great tips. So are you ready? So you can read through this review. Um, if you see. Tell me something about yourself. What were you doing before you started proofreading or investing proofreading anywhere? I have bounced through a number of careers. So she tells about herself, and you know, one second, I want to show you something. I really enjoyed it, so things started pointing me in the direction of proofreading editing course. Okay. Uh, so how long did you take to complete the course? It took me 6 months to complete the course. I could have done it much quicker, but it took me a while to realize I needed to invest my time in myself to do the coursework. How long after completing the course did you land your first client? I had a client before I finished the proofreading anywhere course. So this is something very cool, guys. So this course actually works. And how much do you make a month doing this? Do you do this full time or part time? I took on 2 really big clients in December, so I have been too busy to focus much on finances. But December was the 4th month in a row that I broke $3,000. So this person is earning $3,000 after completing the course. So it's worth your time and money. You can join this course and see success for yourself. So this is it for today's video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for instant notifications. I regularly post content on how to make money online. You can also follow me on my Quora profile, which is AKSHAT Agarwal 37, and you can also join my Facebook group where I share good strategies on making money online. I don't know, it's taking such time to load, but this is my group: passive income, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, make money online. You can see I have even shared the webinar link and the workshop link on this Facebook group. And there are other cool things as well: how to make $10 per minute, how to make money from embarrassing niches, how to get traffic from LinkedIn, how to make $3 every minute, etc., etc. So you can go out. I will leave the link to this group in the description of this video. Go check out this group, join it, and access your freebies and advanced training. So this is it for now. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.